Hi everyone. It's good to see you. I wanted to visit with you today to say Happy Earth Day. And our sign over here says just that, Happy Earth Day, a day to celebrate our planet Earth and to think about how we can protect our planet. And I thought I would tape over in this area today, a place where there are a lot of plants. Some of them are ones that were from our classroom. So I'd like for you to see all the different plants growing in honor of Earth Day today. And also I would like to show you this model of our planet Earth. This is a globe, and I know we have one of these in our classroom too. And we use this a lot to talk about different places that we visited or where we live on this planet Earth. And I know it might be a little tricky to see, but right here is the United States where we live. We live on the East Coast, so on the right-hand side of the country of the United States, and we live on the continent of North America. So that's a big land mass, and all around our continent on the western side and the eastern side we have ocean. So we have lots of water. So today I wanted to share with you a really awesome story called Dear Children of the Earth. And it's a wonderful one for Earth Day and all year long, but it has a lot of animals in it that I think you're really going to like. So if you wanted to pause the video, you can go get either one of your pets or a stuffed animal that you'd like to sit with to listen to the story. The author of the story is Shim Shamel. Dear Children of the Earth. Dear Children of the Earth, I am writing this letter to ask for your help. Do you know who I am? I am the planet Earth. But I am much more than just a planet. I am your home. I am your Mother Earth. And just like you, there's only one of me. So I am very special. I need to be loved and cared for just like you. Let me tell you more about myself. I am the boulders and trees you love to climb. I am the wet sand at the beach that squishes under your bare feet. I am the grass you lie down on when you look up at my clouds. I am the rivers and lakes and oceans you love to swim in. I am the cool green forests, the hot red deserts, and the cold white glaciers. I love to hug you with my sunshine, tickle you with my wind, and kiss you with my rain. Who's talking in this story? Who's saying those words? Right, it's from the point of view of the Earth. Mother Earth is saying these words to you. Now, let me ask you something. When you look in the mirror, what do you see? You see your eyes, of course. You see your hair, your nose, your mouth. And if you smile, you see your teeth. Do you know what I see when I look in the mirror? I see all of the animals walking on my land. I see all of the birds flying in my sky. I see all of the fish, whales, and dolphins swimming in my oceans. And all of these animals I see are my children. But there's something else I see when I look in the mirror. I see all of you. I see you because you too are my children. All of the animals that live on me are your sisters and brothers. We are one big family. But many people still don't know they are my children and that all of the animals are their sisters and brothers. They still don't know that we are one big family. The animals have told me, we are worried, Mother Earth. We are afraid because our homes are being destroyed by people who don't know better or don't care. They don't know that we are their sisters and brothers. Mother Earth, these people are cutting down your forests, dumping garbage in your oceans and rivers, and filling your sky with pollution. What is pollution, boys and girls? Right, that's smoke and other things that go into the air that make it hard to breathe and to make it so it's not clean. Tell me, my children, where will the animals live when my forests are gone? Where will the whales and dolphins swim when my oceans are too dirty to live in? And where will the birds fly when my sky is polluted? Imagine what life would be like with no wild animals. What if there were no elephants left in Africa, no tigers in India, no pandas in China? What if there were no penguins in Antarctica, no kangaroos in Australia, no grizzly bears in the United States? Imagine my oceans with no whales or dolphins swimming in them, and all the seals and sea otters gone. Imagine how empty my blue sky would look with no birds flying. And think how quiet the trees would be with no birds singing. I would be so lonely. Wouldn't you be lonely too? And so, my children, I need your help. And the animals need your help too. But Mother Earth, you ask, how can I help you and all my sister and brother animals when you're so big and I'm so small? Well, my children, let me tell you something. I am not so big. As a matter of fact, I am quite small. When you go outside at night and you look up at the millions and millions of stars, you will see how small I really am. Compared to the night sky, I am no bigger than you. But because I look so big, people think I don't know what they do to me. They think I can't feel what they do to me. But I do know, and I do feel. My children, when so many people do a little thing to me, it becomes a big thing. So it's very important for each person to stop doing things that hurt me or hurt their sister and brother animals. You can hear my dog's feet pitter-pattering just on cue when we're talking about animals. Hey, here, Joe. Oop. You just bumped into the camera. Come here, Joe. Come here, little dog. Come here. Here he is. See, Joey want to say hi to you. Can you see him? I don't know if you could see him, but he's down low. Remember, there is only one of me, but there are billions of people. So when each person does a little something to help me, it makes a very big difference, a very good difference. Now, what do you think is the biggest, most important thing you can do to help me? What do you think you can do to help our planet Earth? Something to think about. What do you think I need from you more than anything else in the world? I will tell you. Mother Earth is going to tell you. I need you to love me. That's all. Just love me as much as I love you. Because when you love me, you will care for me. And when you care for me, you will protect me. And when you care for me and protect me, you will save your home and the homes of your sister and brother animals. My children, tell your friends and other people what I have told you. Tell them I am their only home and that I need them to love me and care for me. Tell them all the animals are their sisters and brothers and that we are all one big family. And tell them too that I always know when they do little things to help me. My dear children of the earth, I will now end my letter to you. Remember, I am your home, and just like you, there is only one of me. If you love me, care for me, and protect me, I will always be your home forever and ever. I love you with all my heart, Mother Earth. Wasn't that a nice letter from Mother Earth? Girls and boys, you did such a nice job listening to the story. I hope you enjoyed it and that you have a wonderful Earth Day. Bye, boys and girls. See you again soon.